Most people chase respect, but the truth is, the more you chase it, the less you get it. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned in silence, through presence, boundaries, and control. Let's break down 8 psychological tricks that make people respect you without ever begging for it. Trick number 1: don't agree to things that go against your values or comfort. Setting firm boundaries instantly makes people take you seriously. Trick number 2: being quietly excellent at what you do earns silent respect. People admire competence more than loud talks. Trick number 3: after making a strong point, pause. Silence creates tension and makes people focus on your words more deeply. Trick number 4: people who overreact, laugh too hard, get too angry, or seem too impressed are seen as weak. Stay emotionally neutral in public situations. It gives you mystery and quiet strength. Trick number 5: when someone asks you a question, don't answer immediately. Pause for a second or two. It signals thoughtfulness, confidence, and that you are not desperate to please. Trick number 6: ask people questions like what's something no one ever asks you, then stay silent. People are stunned and deeply respect those who make them think. Trick number 7: don't over explain why you are leaving, skipping a party, or not replying. Simply say, I needed space or I was not feeling it. Confident solitudes earn quiet respect. Trick number 8: in any room, sitting in the center, not too front, not too back, sends a silent signal of balanced power and presence. People subconsciously see you as important. Now, if you want to play with someone's mind, then watch this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.